Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is steamed buns with a history of more than 2000 years. The same is flour and yeast. The Chinese cook them into steamed buns by steaming, and the Westerners make them into bread by baking. Steamed bun is irreplaceable in Chinese staple food, just like bread cannot be absent from the diet of Westerners. A foreigner who liked Chinese food once said that he would choose steamed buns to pair with coffee. If it were you, would you choose steamed bun or bread to go with coffee? Let's get started. Prepare 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 milliliters of warm water, 10 grams of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of yeast. Add yeast, sugar to the flour. Slowly add water. Stir in with chopsticks as you add until the water is used up. Press these flour drops to make a dough with your hands. Just like this. Cover with cling film and let it rest for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, knead the dough for 1 minute. Cover again and let it rest for another 30 minutes. Wait for it to double in size. Whether steamed buns are delicious depends on the length of rest time and kneading time. Sprinkle some flour on the work surface. Place the dough on it. Knead until smooth. About 3 minutes. Poke a hole in the middle of the dough with your hands to make a donut shape. Break the circle. Knead into a long cylinder. Divide it into 12 equal parts. Top with some flour. Take one part. Knead it for 1 to 2 minutes. Use your thumb and forefinger to cover the dough and tighten the low part, just like this. Finally, pinch it tightly with your fingers and place it upside down on the workboard. Form the dough with your hands to make it more like a ball. Do the same for the rest portions. Arrange the buns in a steamer. Cover and let them rest for 20 minutes before steaming. Turn on the heat and steam for 15 minutes. Then turn off the heat. Do not open the lid right away. Wait at least 5 minutes. Fluffy and nice steamed buns are ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.